Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're going to be talking about curd harps. Now, curd harps, for want of a better name, I've also called them many times before curd cutters. And these ones here in particular are made by a gent in the US called Steve Benz. So the wire is a 32 gauge stainless steel and they're spaced 1.25 centimetres apart, which is half an inch. And they've been hand strung, totally handmade. There's no machine making here. Yeah, it's a very good finished product. In fact, check out this little snippet that I made showing me using this particular curd harp here. They're also coated with 3 coats of food safe finish. It's an epoxy resin, I believe. So it is food safe, including every single one of the holes as well. I just think they're a piece of art, basically, especially with the fantastic hardwood finishes that Steve's put on these curd harps, with the base of the curd harp being cherry wood. So just make sure that before you use the curd harp that you sanitize it, either using Iodaphor or a bleach solution or vinegar, as I do. And obviously after you've used it, give it a good wash in hot soapy water before you do the sanitizing. So sanitize before and after use. They look a little bit bowed, but that's because you need a bit of springiness in the wood so we can have the harp nice and tight. So he does many other ones as well. And the reason I'm saying all this, curd nerds, is because many of you have asked, where can I get a curd cutter just like the one I was given as a present? Well, now you can. We can find these over at Etsy. Now, before you all rush off to Etsy, Steve has a special coupon code, and the coupon code is Cheeseman18. That's Cheeseman, one word, 18, all run together. And I will put the link to these curd harps down in the description below, and once you click through, you actually get a discount of $2 US off of the curd harps. The only unfortunate thing, curd nerds, is that Steve only ships within the US. So if you live within the US and are after a curd harp like this one, then go and check out his Etsy shop down below. Now, for every curd harp sold, a little bit of those proceeds also come back to me. So if you find it in your heart to buy a curd harp and you're in the market for one, then you can look at no better place than Steve's shop. Anyway, as always, curd nerds, thanks for watching. I know this one's been a bit of an informational video. In my experience, a curd harp is absolutely necessary to get those horizontal cuts perfect. If you're using some other tool, then fine, be it, no problems at all. But just from experience, and these are the same designers I use on my channel, these are a very good piece of equipment for any home cheese maker. So thanks for watching, curd nerds. Don't forget to pop over to the Etsy shop, and you using the coupon Cheeseman18. The link to the description is, the link is in the description below if you want to pick up one of these lovely curd harps. He has many different types and many different hardwoods available for sale. As I said, only shipping within the US. Thanks for watching, curd nerds, and I'll see you next time.